Hi guys, so this is problem solving exercises using BIDMAS. A shopkeeper sold 3 boxes of pens, each containing 8 pens. She then gave away 2 pens to her friends. If the pens cost £2, what is the total value of pens sold minus the value of the pens given away? So what we start with here is 3 boxes of pens equal 3 times 8 pens, which gives us 24 pens in total. Then she gave away 2 pens, which leaves us with 22 pens. So that's our first bit of the puzzle. Then we're going to times our 22 by 2, because they cost £2 each. So that's 22 times £2, which gives us £44. Yeah, that's it, actually. So we've times it, we've subtracted it, and we've times it again. So it's £44. The total value of the pens sold minus the value of the pens given away. The sum of the squares of 2 consecutive integers is subtracted from 100. It's telling us that the integers are 4 and 5. What is the final result? So we need to square our 4, which equals 4 times 4, which equals 16. And our 5 squared equals 5 times 5, which is 25. Add them up. Which gives us 41. And now we're going to subtract the 41 from the 100. So the answer is 59. That is the final result. A recipe requires the following calculation for the total amount of flour needed. Double the sum of 150 and 75. So that's telling you you've got to double 150 grams and 75 grams, then subtract 50 grams. How much flour is required? So double 150, (300 grams), double 75 grams. So it's telling you to do this. There's no difficulty here. And then we've got to subtract 50. So 300 plus 150 equals 450. Now we're going to subtract our 50 grams. So our answer is 400 grams flour. The student scored 80 marks in a test. The teacher first adds 5 bonus points, then halves the total, and finally subtracts 3 marks. What is the student's final score? So we have 80 to start with, and she adds on 5 bonus. That gives us 85. Then she halves the total. 85 divided by 2 equals 42.5. And finally subtracts 3 marks. So it's 42.5 subtract 3 equals 39.5. Wow. She's dropped from 80 marks to 39.5. That's really low. Okay, so there's some BIDMAS problem solving questions. It's all about how you read it, the order, and underlining key information. So stick with it. You can do it. Bye-bye.